Dr. Road, when using wireless power tools, it can be difficult to store chargers because they all have different voltages. However, if you have a battery charger developed for RC use, you can charge 12 volts and 24 volts lead-acid batteries that are prone to discharge in winter, such as car and motorcycle batteries. Moreover, with just the connector, you can charge all batteries, including wireless electric toys, vacuum cleaners, and lithium-ion powered tools. It also has cell balancing functionality. In this video, I made an XT60 connector for the electric grinder battery pack to enable fast and high-speed charging. The bolts that secure the battery are hidden under stickers or rubber packings. Remove them. Using a Dremel is more convenient for making plastic holes than a drill. I passed the pre-made XT60 female connector cable through the hole. Use the DC test mode of the multimeter to check the electrodes. Use the Dremel to create scratches at the soldering location. This will prevent the solder from flowing. Once the electrodes are confirmed, pre-melt the solder at the location where the wire will be connected and attach it. This makes it very easy to solder the wires together. I thought the charger would have cell balancing for the many pins, but it seems that's not the case. However, Bosch, being a high-end product, seems to have overcharge protection and charging balance functionality. Low-cost power tools do not have any battery charging protection devices. This is the principle of checking batteries' cell series blocks. To check the series blocks of batteries, do it like this. Since it's a 5-cell battery pack, you only need to check up to 5. Batteries that use 3.6-volt lithium-ion batteries are 5-cell, so the nominal voltage is 18 volts. 3.6 volts x 5 equals 18 volts. All the batteries are normal. All cells measure around 3.6 volts. By the way, most electric tool batteries don't have a BMS or cell balancer. A BMS that requires a very high allowable current is expensive. Therefore, some high-end products perform cell balancing during charging. If you connect a balance connector to the battery pack, you can also perform cell balancing charging using an RC charger. The balance connector uses XH254. However, since most electric tool battery packs do not perform cell balancing, I will omit the balance connector. If the lithium battery is produced and used under completely identical conditions, the cell balancing function is not necessary. I assembled the battery pack cover that was separated. Before charging, I perform one more polarity test for safety. I confirm the correct polarity output of the XT60 connector. Now you can charge the battery pack while it's attached to the power tool. The nominal voltage of an 18 volts battery is 5-cell 18 volts. I set it to 1 ampere and started charging. It fully charged in 1 hour. I also made an XT60 connector cover using heat shrink tubing. Shape it when it's hot and hot. Now it's time to enjoy using the exciting tools. Please check the video description for detailed product information. Subscribing and clicking the like button greatly supports the production of videos. Thank you for watching. This was Dr. Road from Mobilant.